Hello guys, I just wanted to share what I'm making for dinner tonight. I'm going to be using my leftovers and turn them into something new for tonight, so come with me. I got my supplies ready. I'm planning on turning it into a pasta sauce and turning it into a pasta dinner. But shocker, I have more pasta. I know it's going to be pasta on pasta, but I'm planning on shredding this carrot, like softening it up on the pan with some butter and adding it to this and adding even more yogurt to it. So, turn it a little healthier. And also, this one has a lot of vegetables and chicken, so I think I'll be good. So let's start cooking. I'm gonna let this boil and then add pasta straight to this and make sort of like a one pan pasta. I'm adding a little salt. Mixing this in, and then I'm gonna add back the carrots here. Pretty sure it's gonna taste good. It's like a salad, like a yogurt based salad, but it's totally my concoction. I haven't seen a recipe anywhere, but I'm pretty sure there is some recipe somewhere. Now we can wait for the carrots to be finished. I don't want them fully cooked. I just want to get them softened. And I use butter to soften it up because I think it adds flavor. I guess you can also use olive oil too. Should be fine with olive oil. I'm gonna let it cook a little while longer. Let's check in our chicken, I'm gonna say sauce. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add my pasta here, straight in. Since I'm gonna mix this with the yogurt-based sauce, like yogurt-based salad, let's say, I'm not gonna add it while it's hot. I'm gonna wait for it to little cool down, or else it might like curdle up the yogurt, which we don't want that. Well, a little bit about me. I'm just a regular home cook. I just wanted to come on here and show people, like, even if you don't want to spend so much time in the kitchen and you don't have that many ingredients, you can still cook some delicious food in a short period of time at home instead of, opting out for ordering in, spending so much money, because grocery prices are higher nowadays, and we all want to save up some. So you'll be seeing these types of videos from me coming up even more. I want to show you guys how you can shop on a budget for food, cook on a budget for food for 2 or 4 people, because I do like cooking in bulk. Because we survive on leftovers most of the time. Yeah. Pasta in. I know we're having like sort of pasta on pasta, but like I said, this one has a lot of vegetables and chicken as protein, and we have yogurt as protein as well. Lots of good stuff with the cabbage, carrots, onions, tomatoes, garlic, and I have like so many spices in here: turmeric, black pepper, red pepper flakes. Maybe I'll add some even more. Now I'm gonna let this cook the pasta, but I'm gonna turn down the heat a little because it's on high now. I'm gonna get it to close to medium. In the meantime, probably my carrots are ready. Yeah, you see, they have turned yellowish in color, which is for me enough. I'm gonna turn this off and let it rest, cool down a little, and then I'm gonna add this to the orzo and yogurt mixture and mix it up. I added some lemon juice to the yogurt mixture because I feel like the yogurt is not that sour as if you made it at home, but I've just moved into this apartment. I have not started making yogurt yet, but I think it's another saving up tip, to be honest, making your own yogurt at home. Makes it so much cheaper, you know. Get a gallon of milk, make your yogurt at home. I'm gonna clean up while pasta cooks and the carrots get a little cooler than what it is now. Because I feel like if you clean up as you go, it makes it so much simpler. I'm not gonna add any soap to my cutting board. I don't think that's necessary. I haven't used any meat products on it, so I don't think I need soap just yet. And I generally wash my cutting board with lemon juice and salt anyways. Unfortunately, in this apartment, I do not have a dishwasher. Dishwashing for me. I only had like a dishwasher in one of my apartments and I haven't been able to live there more than 6 months. So I guess my destiny is to wash dishes by hand. Now let's check back in with the pasta. Now you need to check in and give it a mix every once in a while because, you know, pasta is cooking right here in the sauce. We don't want it to stick to the bottom because it might if you don't mix it up. But it's getting close to being done. I swear, how long has it been? Like 15 minutes? And we've made an entire dinner happen for 2 people in only 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my carrots in. They're still a little warm, but that's okay. It's not that much of a problem at the moment anymore. I'm gonna watch these videos later. I'm gonna like make fun of myself and laugh because I've never done this before. Meaning I've never made videos not cooking. Welcome to my cooking show. I'm gonna give it a little taste. It does not need anything. I figured it might need some salt, but it doesn't. It's perfect. And the lemon is there, you can taste it. Now I'm gonna get my plates ready. Some forks and some spoons. And check back in with the pasta. No, I'm pretty sure it's gotten too hot now, so. Whew. I'm gonna let it soak up a little bit more moisture before I turn it off. And then it's ready to eat. Taste this. Very hot. See? You see this little white ring in the middle of the pasta? It's very close to being done. At this moment, you can turn the heat off and let it cook or rest per se a little bit and it will finish cooking. But this white ring means we're al dente. If I was boiling the pasta, this is where I would have get it off the water and put it into the sauce. It needs a little salt though. And some lemon juice. And some more pepper flakes. These are spicy. We like spicy. This is the sound of pasta. Last minute. Let's give it another taste test. This is mostly what cooking is, you know. You taste as you go along. It's done. It's perfect. It's perfect al dente. It soaked up all of the moisture. This is for me. This is for my dear cameraman, my husband, whom I know is really hungry by now. See, it's even more than 40 people. Salad. Or dip. Oh, this would be nice as a dip. I guess without the orzo though. Thank you for watching my videos and bon appetit first. Bye!